Recording videos has never been easier. With high-definition cameras and smartphones in our pocket, everyone can shot travels and other memorable moments effortlessly. However, the problem is, when we take the shot, the footage on the camera monitor looks good. When we get back to our computer to check the footage and start to compile and edit, we might notice something's wrong. The footage looks weird, or they're not just as good as it looked when they were shot. To take this footage as an example, I want my camera to follow this lovely cat, but as the cat runs away, it looks smaller and smaller in the footage. That makes the objects in the surroundings become the focus. In this case, we can go to VideoProc Vlogger and use its speed and motion features to keep emphasizing the importance of the scenes. It's shot by the moving camera, which maintains a continuous focus on the cat. The disturbing objects in the surroundings of the cat are trimmed off, so our audiences won't take their eyes off the cat. Then we can spice up the video by adding a scenery shot and a relaxing and gentle piece of music. That's all. Now, let me show you how to make these effects in VideoProc Vlogger. Open up VideoProc Vlogger. Click on there to start a new project. Drag the recorded footage to the software. Add the footage to the timeline track. Click on here to enter the speed panel. Choose constant. Select 1/2 over here. Then we click on apply. After that, we click on here to open the motion panel. Add a keyframe at the start of the video. Adjust the position and the range for this keyframe. In the very beginning, we want to see the whole body of the cat. This can work well. Then again, we add a keyframe at around the 3rd second of the footage. Also here, we need to adjust the range and the position, so we can see the entire body of this adorable cat. Then we add a keyframe at around the 6th second of the footage. Just like what we did before, adjust the range and the position. In the same way, we add keyframes at the 9th second and the end of the video. Let's preview the outcome. It looks good. Hit apply to apply all the changes. Drag the prepared scenery shots and the music to the timeline. Adjust the start time and the duration. We can also enter the color editor panel to correct the color for our footage. Herein, I tweak the exposure, contrast, and highlights parameters. We can make all these changes based on our favor. We can also use the color LUTs available on the left to color grade the footage. After that, hit apply. Last, we click on Transition to add some transition effects for making the transitions between different scenes more smooth and natural. Isn't that super easy? I believe you've already learned everything we covered in this tutorial, so have a try on your next video. Alright, now you've reached today's tutorial about fixing shots in post-production in VideoProc Vlogger. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet. We will see you in our next guide tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Bye!